here we are dealing with the Nasdaq 100. That 2650 call, that was well worth. Geez, my goodness, MMTs. When the bull was running, they took these things to $151 on 327. And the bull, all these calls are all the way back down here to $35. They started out here at the same level of 32.70, and they went right to the top to 151. That was a big move. They've taken all the premium out. We'll be looking for big bull reversals in these contracts. That's the 2650 April weekly. Now, let's take a look at the 2675. That's right at the strike price. 2677 and 2675. That's 15 handles higher. It hit a low today of $19.95. The high today is $32. But look at where they were. They were up here at $125. They've lost $100 in value. And we would like to get 30 of these for about $50 of that value. Boy, that would be a big trade. Only be about $150,000. That's what we're looking for. And that's a 2675 call. Now, up and out of the money 2700 call is down here. Look at from $100 a contract on 4/3, April 3rd, 2012. Look at that, my friends. Like I said, it had to happen at some point. Now that we're lower down here where the contract started, what a great move that was. $17 to 100. So let's set alarms on this one. We already have them set. But let's watch this weekly expiration $2,700 call. And on the other hand, you can see the put side is making a big run. But the put side could keep going. And it's got a range. That's the 27.25 put. That's deep in the money weekly, though. Nonetheless, I've given out the prices on Nasdaq 100. I've given out the May contracts that we'll be looking at. And I've already said, let's look at the $2,700 call up and out of money. We have alarm set, okay? That's May. And we also were looking at some 2750s right here for May. 2750 call. Look at it. All the premium down to the bottom. And they can go lower. They can go lower. It's a Nasdaq 100 at 2678. We've had a big pullback from that big bull rally to levels where we start finding support levels to start ownership levels in here at wholesale areas. And when we do buy them, 30 contracts, mark them up $20. Those are nice trades. Okay? I didn't say 30 contracts, mark it up $2. I said $20. That's 60 grand. Then we have profit objectives that we would do if given the opportunity on a May contract. That's almost 100 points up and out of the money. But just remember how that bull walked them previously and how the call side and the put side, so you have the run and the reversal. The markets are neutralizing themselves. But these are great opportunities. They're the best ones out here. Here's a 2730. It's down at the very bottom, but these are great up and out of the money possibilities. They're buying this one. It yields a little differently. It doesn't matter. Still has a $20 move in it or higher. That's when the bull gets back to being a bull. And we're in the earnings season, so we're not buying any of these right now. We will let them come to us, and we will be watching this one here too, the April. This is just in April, though. That's not much of a yield at 26.90. That's up and out of the money. We have the better contracts, though, believe me. And that's this 26.50 and the 26.75 for April weekly.